Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2002 Challenger MT535 tractor that we've got and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, talk about everything that I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces, show you the 3-point working, show you the PTO, get up close, show you the pins on the loader, let you hear the engine, lift the loader up, everything like that, show you the 4-wheel drive and the brakes are good. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of farm equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, this is a 2002 MT535 cab heat air 4-wheel drive. It's got the ML97 front loader with Euro mount coupler. It does have third function front auxiliary hydraulics, 3 rear remotes, 540 PTO. It is 1,000 capable, 32 speed partial power shift. It's got a radio, R1 tires, 1,976 hours. Cranked it up a little bit ago, ran it around, kind of ran it through its paces. Hydraulics are strong, the engine sounds good, no excessive smoking. Like I said, it's the Euro mount coupler. This loader lifts very high. You'll see that in a little bit when we do the video. No excessive play in the pins up here. You'll see that as well. I don't know how well you can tell, but as you can see, it is fairly straight. The paint has a little bit of fade to it. That yellow paint is a little faded, but it's very straight, not really rusty or anything like that. Front tires are really good. I'm gonna say these are probably 60-65%. I think I'm being very fair there. Front fenders are pretty good. A little bit of paint chipped off in some spots, but overall very good, especially for an 02 tractor. Fenders are good. Yeah, like I said, as you can see, there's a little bit of fade here to this yellow paint, but the fenders are nice and straight here. Rear tires, again, tread is really good. I'm gonna say they're at least 50%. There is some weather cracking in these rear tires. I don't know how well you can see that, but a lot of tread life there. Rear rims are good, as you can see here. Very straight. Coming around to the back side, like I said, 3 rear remotes. The drawbar's in good shape. 3-point arms are in good shape. Everything back here looks good. This rear axle looks good. It's nice and dry back here. Like I said, 540 PTO. It does have the snap ring. It's replaceable, and you can run 1,000 shaft if you have it. Again, this rear tire matches up really well to the other side. Lots of tread life left. There is a little bit of weather cracking there. This rear rim, again, in really good shape. Like I said, this fender's nice and straight too. A couple little small paint chips here, there, but the fender itself's in good shape. It's not all bent up. Again, this front tire, lots of tread life left here. It's in really good shape. Rim's in good shape as well. A little bit of paint peeling off on that cylinder. And again, the paint is a little faded, but very straight. I don't see any cracks or welds anywhere on the loader arms or the back of the Euro plate or anything like that. As you can see, it is a new bucket. When it came into us, it did not have a bucket, so we had to get one. It is a new bucket. It is a fairly well-built bucket though. Come over here and take a look at the side of the block. Show you the engine here. As you can see, it's nice and clean in here. No oil or diesel running down the side of the block. Nice and dry, very clean. We'll go take a look at the other side. Again, nice and dry. There's a block heater there. This side, no oil or diesel running down it. Take a look at the cab. All the glass looks good. I don't see any cracks in any of the glass. It's all present. None of it's busted out. Steps on this side. Get my shadow out of the way here. Steps are in really good shape. Here when you walk in, everything's nice. There's not much paint missing here. That floor mat's in good shape. It's not wore out right there. Clutch pedal's really nice. Both brake pedals in good shape. Throttle pedal as well. Most of the paint there. That whole floor mat's in good shape. Does have a buddy seat. The actual seat, this is an air ride seat. It's not working. I could not get it to raise up or down, so the air ride portion of that seat is not working appropriately, but there are no cuts or tears. That cloth is starting to get loose there though. Armrests, both the armrests are in good shape. All your controls over here. Pretty darn clean inside here. A little bit of dirt stain on the top here, but overall pretty darn clean for the age of the tractor. HVAC controls, radio, dash, forward reverser. Everything looks good there. All right, like I said, it's a 2002 MT535, 1976 hours. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.